A very good morning to all of you. Hello everyone. Am I audible and visible to all of you? Just let me know very quickly. Good morning everyone. Am I audible and visible to all of you? You guys there? Good morning. That's it. So finally we're up. Hello. You guys still sleeping or what? Good morning everyone. Good morning. Please do connect very quickly. Be quick. Trijal, you are the oldest student of Gosalites, right? And how was the exam? MSR, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Pavan, Ruchita, Shrisha, everyone, good morning. That's good. So let's begin today's session, right? So like today, let me begin with certain question, right? Let me see that what kind of homework you are doing. The paper was tough. Paper was tough, no doubt about it. Paper was tough. It was lengthy, basically, right? Never mind. I mean, you just keep on doing your hard work and just don't give up at all. Okay, so come, all the Avengers, come over here. So let me ask one question. How many carbon atoms? How many carbon atoms are present in, like, say 30 AMU? How many carbon atoms are present in 30 AMU? Chalo karo usko. Let me give you option, like say 1 carbon atom, second one 2 carbon atom, third one 3 carbon atom, fourth one, like say none of these. None of these. That's smart answers you're giving me, right? And I think that you guys have caught up with this thing, right? See, like say in 12 AMU, you will have 1 carbon atom, right? So if I take double of that, 24 AMU, I will have, like say, 2 carbon atoms. But if I have got, like say, I need 3 carbon atoms, so I will need what? 36 AMU. 36 AMU will have 3 carbon atoms, right? So like normally people will put, like say, if I give you again, like say a fifth option, like say 2.5 carbon atoms. So in that case, can I say that the fifth one is the correct answer? 2.5 carbon atoms. So because mathematically you will do, so 30 by 12, you'll get 2.5, right? So can we say that? Can we say that? Okay, this will contain, we cannot. The cutting is not allowed in the microscopic world. I mean, we cannot say that stuff. This is not allowed, right? Getting it not? So at max, what we can say that this 30 AMU of stuff you are giving it to me, right? It will contain maximum 2 carbon atoms, right? But not more than that, right? It should be integer. The number of atoms or molecules present should be integer, right? So that is correct. I mean, we will have, this will not be the answer. This will not be the right answer at all. Are you getting it? Getting it? So the best answer out here will be like say none of these guys, or at max like 2 carbon atoms. Plus 6 AMU will be something else, but not definitely carbon, right? So let me ask you one more question. Tell me one thing, that how many oxygen molecules are in 80 AMU? of stuff, right? In 80 AMU. Come on, tell me one thing. Let me give you the option, like say 5, second, like say 2, third, maybe 4, fourth, maybe none of these. Or rather we can say how many maximum, like say maximum O2 molecules are present in 80 AMU. Maximum. If I have got maximum, say, so O2 is actually one O2 molecule has a weight of 32 AMU, right or not, right? So 80 AMU will have how many oxygen atoms, right? Say, so I know that maximum they're looking for 64 AMU will be like say 2 O2. But if I need like say 3 O2 molecules, how many I should have? 32 into 3, that is what? 96 AMU. So if you want 3 O2 molecules, I should have 96 AMU. But the given is what? 80. So maximum I can have is what? 64 AMU. So 80 minus 64, how much is there? 16. So 16 AMU is something else, but not definitely what? O2. Is that clear? So maximum we can have only what? 2 O2. Maximum answer, right? See, those who are saying 5, see, oxygen atom has the atomic weight of 16 AMU, but O2 has 32 AMU. So if you are going to find out, I'm not asking oxygen atom, I'm asking about oxygen molecule. Ishwar, is that clear? Is that clear? Right? I mean, you cannot do this thing 80 upon 16. That is only for what? Oxygen atom, not for O2. Well, be careful with that stuff. When it is they're asking atom, when they're asking molecule, right? Okay. Okay, chalo, tell me. If I ask you, what is the minimum amount of H2SO4 you can give it to me? Minimum amount of H2SO4, which you can give it to me. Question is minimum amount of H2SO4 you can give it to me is how much? First one is like say 1 AMU, second one 1 gram, third one 49 AMU, fourth one 98 AMU, fifth one 98 grams. Like what? What is the minimum value of H2SO4 possible? Naruto, 98 what? 98 gram or 98 AMU or what? It will be 98 AMU, correct answer, right? This though is like say 1 mole. This is 1 mole of H2SO4, right or not? And if I am giving you 1 AMU, if I am putting 1 AMU in your hand, for example, right? Let me assume it, then what I have given to you? Which element I have given to you? If I just give you 1 AMU, something called 1 AMU, which element I have given to you? I have given you hydrogen. Can I say I have given you hydrogen molecule? I have given you hydrogen molecule, can I say that? No, we cannot say that because H2 will be like say 2 AMU. For 1 AMU, it is a hydrogen atom. It is the hydrogen atom, right? So be careful when you have to look for atom and when you have to look for molecule, right? Okay. Okay. Chalo. One more question, like say, which has maximum weight? Which has maximum weight, right? Chalo. First of all, 1 mole of say hydrogen. Second is 5 gram of hydrogen. Third one is 8 gram atom of hydrogen, and I'll put it like say 5 gram atom. Okay, so 6 gram, 6 gram. Fourth one, let us have 20 molecules of say water, 20 molecules of water, which will have maximum weight. Answer it quickly, very quickly. I believe everyone has given the right answer, but I mean, like only one or two are there. Okay, let's decode it. Let's decode it. 1 mole of hydrogen will have how much weight? 1 mole of hydrogen, how much weight will be there? 2 gram. Yes or no? 2 gram. 5 gram of hydrogen is nothing but 5 gram. Now this is what? 6 gram atom. And when you write gram atom, it is one more way of writing what? Mole. So this is nothing but what? 6 mole of hydrogen atom. Now I know that for hydrogen atom, the atomic weight is what? Gram atomic weight is what? 1. For 6 mole, it will be what? 6 gram, right? So 2 gram, 5 gram, and 6 gram. Now 20 molecules of H2O. 20 molecules of H2O. Molecules, they are molecules, right? So this will be like say 1 molecule of H2O. If you look carefully, one H2O molecule has a weight of what? 18 AMU? Yes or no? 18 AMU. So 20 H2O molecules will have how much weight? 20 into 18 AMU. This will be how much? 360 AMU. Now these weights are in what? Grams. And if they are in grams, I should convert this into grams as well. So 360, and I told you yesterday that 1 AMU is equal to how much? 1.6 into 10 to power of minus of 24 gram. So multiply by 1.6 into 10 to power of minus of 24 gram. Now this is definitely a very, very less weight. Very, very less weight. Yes or no? As compared to 2, 5 gram and 6 gram, this is almost negligible. So I believe lightest of them is what sample? 20 molecules of H2O. This is the lightest, not the heaviest, not the maximum weight. Yes or no? So maximum weight is what? 6 gram, which belongs to what? Third option. And look at that, what you are giving me? You are giving me fourth answer. Are you getting it? Only 2 people have given me right answer, and I think Hanifa was like bit, she was not confident, so she removed her answer. By looking at all of you are giving fourth answer. Yes or no? So these are simple questions, like, so we should make sure that we are not going wrong. In these kind of simple questions, we have to understand that this part is actually what? Belonging to microscopic world. And these 3 options, they belong to what? Macroscopic world. Is that clear or not? So just look at that, what they are giving to you. Achha, what went wrong with you people? Why did you get this wrong answer? I'll give you many questions today. So it's not as if your concepts are not clear. Concepts are clear, but when it comes to applying them in the question, like we have that. One more. This Punanjali was also giving me right answer. She gave me right answer, right? But she was not that confident again by looking at other options. So what went wrong? Just let me know what went wrong in this question. That what you were thinking. Just let me know. So attempt question, I mean, like all the people present out here did not see the power was negative. Okay, Abhi. We have to keep all these things in the mind, right? Be quick, let me know. MSR, what went wrong? Lahir, what went wrong? Pavan, what went wrong? Be quick. Don't just give me a short answer. Okay, the mistake is the question is solving quickly and we suddenly saw the big number 360. So it's a blunder mistake. That's what I'm saying. The examiner will force you to commit these blunders. Are you getting it? So be careful that they are going to play the tricks with you people. I'm again repeating that they will not be selecting you, they will be rejecting you just because you are not having the right focus. And I believe the doctors should have a very good focus. Say, once you are in the operation theater, right? I mean, obviously there are like say a lot of pressure is there. And in that pressure game, if you succumb, I mean, you do some slight blunder, a life can be lost, right? So, and we don't want that to happen. So you should be very careful, learn to handle this pressure. Don't be in hurry. Like, I don't want quick answers. No one wants quick answer. We want right answers, right? And in the paper like 25, if you are like rushing through, you will definitely be committing multiple blunders. And the end result will be something which you will not like it. So be careful. And I have just multiplied 20 into 18. So you neglected this thing, right? That this is molecule. So 18 into 20 is 360, but 360 what? AMU or 360 gram, right? So there is a mismatch of units out here. So be careful of units. In physical chemistry, so I will say that please don't attempt any question without looking at the units. Units are ultra important, very, very important. Sir, I'm going to, it will practice and learning from mistakes. Do whatever you want to do. So can I ask you a few more questions, right? Okay, just a simple basic question. Let me ask you. The question is that how many helium atoms? How many helium atoms are in say 2 gram, let's say 2 gram, 2 gram sample, 2 gram sample, solve it. How many helium atoms are there in 2 gram sample? Right? Correct? Right. And good one. See, this is 2 gram, right? So before I solve this question, I want to teach you further more basics in case some of you are not getting it, right? How to find out number of moles. See, there are 3 ways of finding number of moles where n is number of moles, right? So see this thing. If they give you weight, if they give you weight of anything, molecular atom, right? If they give you weight, if you have to convert this weight into number of moles, you should divide by what? Molecular weight if it is a molecule, or atomic weight if it is an atom. So depending on the species given, if they have given you molecule, the weight of molecule divided by molecular weight. If they have given you weight of what? Atom, then divide by atomic weight to get what? Number of moles. Now second one, this is strictly for gases. This part is only for gases, When they give you volume of gas at STP, and that too in liters. Then to convert it into number of moles, you have to divide by 22.4 liter, right? And if they give you number of molecules, say number of molecules or atoms, right? Number of molecules or atoms, and you have to convert them into what? Number of moles, then divide by what? Avogadro's number. Like, understand and learn this basic part. Once you know this thing, I mean, it will be very easy to handle the number of moles, right? Once you are at number of moles, if they give you weight and they ask you the number of molecules, which way you will traverse? You will be converting weight into what? Number of moles, and then number of moles into what? Number of molecules. Remember that to come inside towards number of moles, you have to do what? Division. But if you have to move outside, if you are moving outside, then what you will do? You will do what? Opposite. What is that? Multiplication. Rather than division, you will do what? Multiplication. When you are moving outside from number of moles. Is that clear? That means if they have given you number of moles and you want weight, you will multiply number of moles by what? Molecular weight or atomic weight. And similarly, if they give you number of moles and you want volume of the gas at STP in liter, then you will multiply by what? 22.4. Similarly, if they give you number of moles and they want number of molecules or atoms, you will multiply by what? Avogadro's number. So coming inside requires division and going outside requires multiplication. Clear? So we'll first do some practice of question regarding weight. Conversion of weight into what? Number of moles. And after that, we'll do some questions on conversion of volume of gases into number of moles. And last but not the least, how to convert number of molecules and atoms into what? Number of moles. So shall we begin? Chalo, karo. So let me give you some questions, right? If I'm giving you, say 46 gram of sodium, 46 gram of sodium, can you find out number of moles of sodium? Sodium atom, number of moles of sodium atom. Be very quick in that case, be very quick. Right. So it is like, say, weight given upon atomic weight, because sodium is an atom. So it will be 46 upon 23, it will be 2 moles. Very good, very good. Next question, chalo, solve it. If I'm giving you 85 gram of ammonia, 85 gram of ammonia, find out number of moles of ammonia. Be very quick. Everyone be quick. Right. So again, it will be weight upon molecular weight, because ammonia is a molecule. So weight is 85, and what is the molecular weight of ammonia? Ammonia N, H, and H. The atomic weight of N is 14, hydrogen 1, plus 1 and 1 more 1. Total becomes what? 17, right? So 85 by 17 will be how much? 5. Right. Good. Very good. Very good. Let's do some more questions. Okay, you got to find out 7 gram of H2SO4. Find number of moles of H to the 4 in 7 gram sample. Number of moles of H to the 4. Come on. Ruchita, 5. I hope you are giving me the previous answer right. I'm getting it. Patnaik, be very careful about your calculations, right? Number of moles is what? Weight upon molecular weight. H to the 4 is a molecule. So 7 upon 98. What is that thing? 1 by 14. 1 by 14, not 14. Chandu, it's not 14. Patnaik, it's not 14, right? 1 by 14. Right or not? Right. Acha, suppose say if they give you the answer in decimal, if they have given the answer in decimal, then looking at the option, if the options are a bit far apart, right? You can use the method of approximation. What you can do? I mean, you can write this thing as 7 upon approximately 100. Approximately 100, right or not? And this answer will be like 0.07 approximately. So look at those options and filter it out. But if you will try to do with like say 98, it might be a bit difficult for few people. But if you're very good at calculations, it's very good. If not, then choose the method of approximation depending on the options given. If the options are very, very close, then you have to go with this, right? Exact method. But if there are differences there, significant difference, you can go with approximation depending on the difference of options, right? Okay, chalo, aa jao. Okay, let me ask you now, we are going for gases, right? We are going for gases and all of them are at STP, right? You have to find out number of moles. Chalo, tell me, if I give you 22.4 liter of hydrogen, find the number of moles. Find the number of moles, come on. 22.4 liter of hydrogen. 1, okay. So it will be volume of gas at STP in liters upon 22.4 liter, right or not? So volume given how much? 22.4 divided by 22.4, right? Cancel up, this will be 1 mole. So we are having 1 mole of hydrogen. Acha, if I replace hydrogen by say O2, in that case your answer will be again 1, same answer will come because volume of gas is what, 22.4 and divided by 22.4, answer will be again 1. In this formula, if you look at that, they are not looking for the identity of the gas. They're saying volume of any gas. Volume of any gas at STP. Right? Acha, chalo, if I replace it by say CO2, in that case, your answer? Same? Right. Because we are not looking for identity of the gas. They say volume of any gas and then divide by 22.4. If the volume of the any gas will be 22.4, the number of moles will be always 1. Any gas, right? Maybe this is helium, maybe this is H2S or SO2 or say SO3. All of them will have same answer, 1. Clear? Right? Achha, chalo, tell me one thing. If I replace it with say 44.8 liter. 44.8 liter. In that case, what will be your answer for all the gases? For all the gases. It will be 2, right? The reason being, now it is 44.8 liter given, the volume of gas, and divided by 22.4. How much it will be? 2. We will have 2 moles of, yes, 2 moles of any of the gas. If it is 44.8 liter, it will be that one, right? Chalo. What I'm saying, if volume of any gas at STP, if it is 22.4 liter, in that case, number of moles will be how much? For any gas, come on, 22.4 upon 22.4, it will be 1. And if it is 44.8 liter given, volume of the gas is 44.8 liter, in that case, number of moles will be how much? 44.8 upon 22.4 and will be 2 for any gas, right? I want you people to learn these figures, right? Because they are regularly appearing in multiple questions. Similarly, if I give you 60, okay, so tell me one thing. Okay, if I give you, like, let me change the question. N is given as 3. Number of moles of any gas is 3 at STP. Number of moles I'm giving you. Can you find out the volume? Volume of gas. If the number of moles of the gas is 3, find out the volume of gas. Let us change it out. Right, very good. What you will do? Now we'll multiply. So what we'll do? We'll multiply N into 22.4. So N is how much? 3 into 22.4. How much? 67. 2 liter. So if I have got 3 moles of any gas at STP, the volume of the gas will be 67.2. Right? Good, very good, very good. So learn this value as well, 67.2. And can you solve it for, like, say, n equal to 4 and n equal to 5? For n equal to 5 and n equal to 4, find the volume of gas at STP, any gas. When n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5, number of moles of gas is 4 and number of moles of gas is 5, respectively. Right, correct. Be very careful with your calculation. Be very careful. Very, very careful. Right. So if you want volume will be number of moles into 22.4. For 4, multiply 4 into 22.4. How much this will be? It will be 89.6 liter. Remember these values. They will help you. Right, correct. And for n equal to 5, volume of gas will be how much? 5 into 22.4. How much will come? 112 liter. So remember these 5, at least this much so one should learn, right? That for 1 mole of gas, the volume will be 22.4. For 2 moles of gas, volume of gas will be 44.8. For 3 moles, 67.2. And for 4 moles, 89.6. And 112 for what? N equal to 5. So can we just wrap it up now very quickly? Come on, tell me. For n equal to 1, volume of gas will be how much? 22.4 liter. N equal to 2, it will be 44.8 liter. For any gas I am talking about, right? N equal to 3, it will be 67.2 liter. N equal to 4, it will be how much? Come on. 89.6 liter. And N equal to 5, it will be 112 liter. Learn these values. They are going to appear again and again, right? Not only in the mole concept, but also you will be requiring them while doing electrochemistry, right? Right, good, very good. Just learn it. Sheikh Karim Basha, very good. 22.4, 40, 48.4. It's not 48.4, 44.8. Be careful, be very careful, right? And we might miss certain things. Good, very good. So now we are able to convert volume into moles, weight into moles. Let's try the third thing. Let me give you, we are having, say, 6 into 10 to power of 20 molecules of CO2. Can you find out number of moles? Number of moles, be quick. Be careful, read the question carefully. Naruto and Patanjali, be careful, be a bit slow. Tejasvi, be slow. Shalja, be slow. Be careful. Akanksha, be careful. Rushita, be careful. Naruto, be careful. This is simple. Simple hai calculation. We need to learn to calculate these basic things, right? Say Karim Basha, be careful, extremely careful, beta. Very, very much careful. See, if you want number of moles, what I told you, that divide number of molecules by what? Avogadro's number. So you divide by Avogadro number, right? The number of molecules given is how much? 6 into 10 to power of 20. You divide by what? 6 into 10 to power of 23. What is that? The value of Avogadro's number. Yes or no? They just be 10 to power of 45. Okay, either the work. So I believe 10 to power of 20 and 10 to power of 3 will be remaining, right or not? So this is 1 upon 10 to power of 3. Yes or no? Okay, and this is how much? Or you can say 10 to power of minus of 3. Or you can simply write down 0.001. Any one of them. Naruto, you have given me like 4 answers and all of the 4 are wrong. What are you doing? तुम लोग आज भांग वांग खा के आए हो क्या? तुम सो के उठे हो आप? Just got up, right? So can I? Acha, chalo, just let me know one very simple thing, that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is how much? I believe it is like, say, 1 by 4. Yes or no? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Thank God, like no one has given the wrong answer. Correct. I mean, this is like, say, 1. But many people have given me this wrong answer, like 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Okay, chalo, tell me one thing. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to how much? One by 3 plus 1 by 3 is also 1, right? Bhanu, 1. Ruchita, 1. Many of you are giving right answer. See this thing, like you take LCM, LCM will be 3, right? So 3, how many times 3 will go out here? 1. So 1 into 1, 1, and again 1 out here, right or not? And this is what? 2 by 3. Correct. Right. Acha, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 is how much? Naruto, for atomicity, I'll come, I mean, little bit late, right? I'll let you know. 1 by 6. Hey Bhagwan, Bache, what are you doing? Wait, this is multiplication, not addition. This is multiplication. Simply multiply. 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, what? 9. 1 by 9. You just practice basic things, basic calculations we need, right? So chalo, tell you one thing, which is bigger? 10 to power of minus of 3 is bigger, or like say 0.001 is bigger. Third one, 0.001, or like say, what I can say, 1 upon say 20, 1 upon 20. Which one is bigger among these three? First one, second one, third one. Right. Acha, among first and second, which one is bigger? Among first and second, which one is bigger? First and second, which one is bigger? Second. भाई बच्चों तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? अरे they are same thing, एक ही तो है. I believe that on Sunday you people are not in mood to study. They are same thing. Like this is nothing but 1 upon 10 to power of 3. This is nothing but upon 1000, right or not? Which is nothing but 0.001. This though we should, like this should be there. By this time, if we do not know these things, it will be a bit difficult for us, right? So I'll recommend those people who are giving the wrong answer. So please work on these basics, right? Chalo, let's come to the next question. Okay. Chalo, tell me one thing. 3 into 10 to power of 23 molecules of say CO2, right? Again CO2. Find out number of moles. Find out number of moles. Come on, be quick. Be very quick. Right. So take the number of molecules given and divide by what? Stoichiometric, sorry, not stoichiometric coefficient, sorry, my mistake. Divide by Avogadro number. What is that? 6 into 10 to power of 23. So this will cancel up, and 3, and this is 2, 1 by 2. Yes or no? Just in case, but just tell me one thing. I'm giving you like x is equal to 10 to power of minus of 2 into 10 to power of say 3 upon 10 to power of say minus of 5 into 10 to power of say 6. What will be the answer of this thing? So, I mean, if you multiply these things, this will be 10 and this will also be 10, right or not? It will be 1. I hope you people can handle these kind of calculations, right? That is much better, but I mean, please don't give me wrong answers, right? Chalo, theek hai. Okay. So that thing, I believe you can handle that. So, acha, remember that this graph, this part of the chart I have given you, this path, when they give you volume of gas at STP and you want number of moles, this path is available only for gases. Only for gases. Remember that? Okay. Chalo, now let's do some more questions. Come on. Okay. Which has maximum weight? Which has maximum weight, right? Chalo, first one, let me give you 5 mole of hydrogen. Second one is like say 1 gram atom of say nitrogen, 1 gram atom of nitrogen. Third one, let's say 11.2 liter of CO2 at STP. And fourth one will be like say 10 to power of 23 molecules of what I can give you, say, chalo, take this as H2O. Come on, solve it. Be careful, think before solving, and don't be in hurry. Your correct answer is important. Some saying 1, some saying 3. So there is a battle between 1 and 3. So let's look at that. Let's look at the right answer. 5 mole of hydrogen. You have to find out weight. To find out weight, what we have learned, that when they give you number of moles, multiply by the molecular weight if it is a molecule, and they have given H2 as molecule. So this will be equal to how much? 5 moles. And what is the molecular weight? 2. That is what? 10. So it will be 10 gram. Right? Okay. This is gram atom. Gram atom. 1 gram atom means 1 mole. 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen. This is equal to how much? 14 gram. Gram atomic weight. Okay? Right. Now come to this thing, 11.2 liter of CO2. So when they give you volume, please find out number of moles. Number of moles will be like volume of the gas given upon 22.4. How much? 11.2 upon 22.4. It will be half. So number of moles of CO2 is how much? Half. So from number of moles, can I find out weight? Yes, I can multiply number of moles into what? Molecular weight. So this is half, and molecular weight is what? 44. This will be 22 gram. 22 gram, right? Right. And let us find out the weight of these many molecules of water, right? So again, first of all, find out number of moles. So number of moles will be how much? Number of molecules given upon Avogadro number, 6 into 10 to the power of 23. Cancel up, and this is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 moles are there. Now once you know number of moles, from here, can we find out weight? The weight will be number of moles into what? Molecular weight. And number of moles given is how much? 1 by 6. And molecular weight is what? 18. This will be 3 gram. Now, 3 gram, 22 gram, 14 gram, and 10 gram. Which one is highest? Quite obviously, 22 gram. So third is the correct answer. Third is the correct answer, not the first one. Okay? Okay or not? That's good. That's good. Raman, thermodynamics is tough or easy? Thermodynamics is, I believe, very easy. Very easy. I mean, it's completely conceptual, and if your concepts are clear, you are done with that. Thermochemistry does require some calculative skills. If you are good at that, it will be easy again. And all of that can be commanded easily if you are ready to practice things, right, and revise them. Okay, so let's do some more questions, right? Which has maximum volume at STP, right? All these things I'm giving you is at STP. Okay? First one, let me give you 500 gram of iron. 500 gram of iron. Second, let me give you let's say 600 gram of water, liquid form. Third one, let me give you 22.4 liter of hydrogen. Fourth one, let me give you, say, 2 moles of, say, H2S gas, right? Find out. So my sister said, second law is toughest in chemistry. No. Second law is simplest. Second law is very easy. Very easy. Ambati. Right. Seema saying second. Right, most of you are giving the right answer. See, 500 gram third. Okay, let's see that stuff. Some are saying third. Second also. First and second are not gases, right? Now see this thing, correct. Iron is solid, right? And H2O is given the liquid state. Now 500 gram of iron is like half a kg of iron. Half a kg of iron is like hardly this much, right? But if I take 600 gram of water, now the density of water is what? 1 gram per ml. So 500 gram will have how much volume? 500 ml, right or not? Hardly half liter. Half liter. Are you getting it or not? This is liquid, this is not gas, right? But 22.4 liter of H2 is given itself as 22.4 liter. The volume directly is given. So 22.4 liter is way higher than what? 500 ml, and maybe this still will be 300 ml. Or maybe say 100 ml, right? No? And 2 mole of the H2S. 2 mole of H2S will be 2 into 22.4. When they give you number of moles, to find volume, multiply number of moles into 22.4. How much? 44.8 liter. So 44.8 liter is way higher than rest of them. Right? So fourth is the correct answer. Getting it? Right? Chalo, aa jao. Let's do some more questions. Okay. Okay, so tell me one thing now. Which has maximum number of moles? Which has maximum number of moles? Right? Sir, or convert all of them into number of moles, then we can find volume easily. I think you can do that as well. If you convert them into, but even if they have given volume directly, there is no need for that. And if you have a presence of mind, I mean, you need not find out number of moles also. Arjun, that is okay when we have got either all of them are gases, all of them are like a solid, and density is also given. Otherwise, don't do that, right? Finding number of moles and then converting, see that stuff out here. If you will find out number of moles, so again, you will be doing a lot of calculations. 500 divided by what? 56, the atomic weight of iron. You are making it extremely tough now. 600 divided by what? 18. Okay, you'll get number of moles. But again, these are not gases. They are in different state of mind. Satish Rathod, is that clear now? Satish, is that clear? What's your doubt? In case you don't have any doubt, can we move ahead? Okay, which has maximum number of mole? Satish, I mean, I can explain, but which part you want me to explain? Like, which one? First option, second option, third option, fourth option, which one? It's better to, I mean, command these basic things so that, I mean, you are not having any trouble later on. Feel free to ask anything. Even if you're feeling that this might be a very silly question and what the world will think about me, no, they don't have time for that. Sir, can we think based on density? Density, beta, you can, but when they give you solid or liquid, then it is okay. Are you getting it? But for gases though, and at that too at STP, and that too at STP, there is no need to think about that. Once they have given you number of moles and volume, no need for density. I mean, we will be entertaining density only if we know or they have given some data on that. Okay, Satish, I'll explain second. So second, they are saying 600 gram of water as liquid. Sorry. 600 gram of water as liquid. It's like, say, it's not even say 1 liter. It is what, 600 ml. Okay, let me tell you. I'm getting it. See, density of water is 1 gram per ml. So what is the meaning of this thing? The meaning of this thing is that 1 ml of water will have how much weight? 1 gram. Right? Or you can say 1 gram will have how much of volume? 500 ml. Similarly, they have given 600 gram. 600 gram of water will have how much volume? 600 ml. Now 600 ml is hardly how much? 0.6 liter. 0.6 liter. Now which is very, very less as compared to what? 22.4 and 44.8. Yes, if they have given me H2O as a gas at STP, as a steam, in that case answer would have been second one. Now why it will be? Because once they have given the gas, so I'll find out number of moles of water as a gas or a steam. How much it will be? Number of moles when they give you weight. So weight upon molecular weight, how much? 18. Yes or no? So these many moles are there. Now to find out volume, you have to multiply for the gases. Number of moles 600 upon 18 into what? 22.4. This is what? 6.3. And this can be like say approximately like say 7.5. 7.5, right or not? Now this will be how much? 7.5 into 100. 750 liter approximately. It will have been highest one, but only if they have given the gas. But in the question they have listed water as what? Got liquid, not gas. And that route I told you is available only for what? Gases. This is for gases only, not for liquid, not for solid. This factor of 22.4 will only come into picture when they have given you what? Gases, not liquid, not solid. Like many people, they make mistake out here. Satish, is that clear now or not? Raman, is your doubt clear now? Be quick. If there is any other doubt, you can ask me right now. Sir, if H2O is given gas, then second will be more. Raman, second is more. I have just solved it for you people. If it is gas, it will be 750 liter. Answer would have been 750. Satish, clear, right? Okay, now. Good, very good, very good. So we are doing one question, which has maximum number of moles, right? First option, let me give you, is 1 gram of oxygen atom, right? 1 gram of oxygen atom. Second option, 1 gram of O2. Third option, 1 gram of ozone. Chalo, solve it. Or I can say fourth also, like equal in all. Equal in all. All are same, okay. Just be careful while answering these questions. Be very careful. They're all simple, fundamental things. You got to be very careful with that stuff. Okay, let's see that now. What is number of moles? Number of mole is weight upon atomic weight. Since oxygen here is given the form of what? Atom. Sir, weight is most useless thing in the world of physical chemistry. Yes, it is. So that's why we are going to convert them into what? Moles, right? Okay. So this is weight 1. And what is the atomic weight of oxygen? 16. So answer is 1 by 16 out here. Now come to the second option. Number of moles of O2. This is a molecule. So answer will be weight upon molecular weight. What is weight given? 1 gram. And what is molecular weight of O2? 32. So answer is 1 by 32. Clearly, 1 by 16 is bigger than 1 by 32. Right? Come to O3 now. Number of moles of O3. Chalo, tell you one thing. This will be weight upon, again, molecular weight. Ozone is a molecule and it will be 1 upon 48. So 1 by 16, 1 by 32, 1 by 48. Which is bigger? 1 by 16. So answer is what? 1. Correct answer is 1. Is that clear? Some people were giving me fourth answer, equal and all. Maybe they are giving that answer because they have seen a similar kind of question, not exactly, but similar kind of question last year, maybe in last 2-3 years. Is that clear? So one should not go into examination hall with half mind, right? Like it has to be like, you have to be completely focused. If you're not, we might be in big trouble. Is that clear now? Okay, I'll just change this question a little bit, which has maximum number of molecules. Which has maximum number of molecules. Come on, we should multiply atomicity, but we are not asking for atoms. Srinivas and Selja, am I asking you about atoms? I'm asking about number of moles only. Number of moles. I'm not asking about atoms. I'm simply asking number of moles. Is that clear, Selja? I mean, you are not going to mold the question. Ashrita will come to that question later on, but as of now, if atoms are given, then we'll think of it. I'm going to give that question later on, but as of now, solve this question. Which has maximum number of molecules? Come on. Which has maximum number of molecules? In 24 year paper was hard. Nah. Satish, paper was simple. 24th was very simple. Which has got maximum number of molecules. Come on. Molecules I'm asking molecules. Be careful. Focus on every word of the question. So out here, let me just simplify that thing. I'll just write down number of moles, right? Number of moles, which we have done already. So number of moles of oxygen are how much? 1 by 16. Here it is 1 by 32, and here is 1 by 48, right? Now once number of moles are given, can you find out number of molecules? To find number of molecules, you will do what? You will multiply the number of moles by Avogadro number. So let me say number of molecules, I am writing hash. What is hash? Number of molecules, right? So number of molecules for this part, number will be how much? It will be number of moles 1 by 16 into what? Na. For this part, it will be 1 by 32 into what? Na. And for ozone, it will be how much? 1 by 48 into what? Na. You have to multiply the number of moles by Avogadro's number. So which one is higher among all these? So which is your correct answer? So now finally give me the correct answer. Finally give me the correct answer. Maximum number of molecules. Hash is now number, right? Okay. Sheikh Karim saying one pakka sir. Okay. Only how will be the paper of 25? How will be? 25 paper is already done. How will be? What do you mean how will be? we we are not going to write 25 paper again, right? What about 26 paper? Would it be same or 25? Wait, I'll come. Wait. Are you asking all kind of rubbish questions? Wait for that. First of all, answer. See, most of you saying first. First is not the correct answer. And the reason being, the question says number of molecules, and this is all about what? Atom. They have given atoms. They are not molecules. Right? The correct answer is what? Second one. Only Abhi and Ambati, they have given me right answer. Hanifa is also giving me the right answer now. Rahul, okay, done. But most of you give me the incorrect. First is not the correct answer of this question. They're asking number of molecules. O2 and O3 are molecules, but O is atom. They are not molecules even. Are you getting it? Pushpa, Bhanu, Lakshmi. Are you getting it not? So what I'm saying, see, we are going to commit some mistakes, some blunders. We are not focusing on what they're asking. We take it like very leniently. What will happen? I mean, maximum number. For you, it is only, the keyword is maximum. Right? You have to look at every part of the question. Number of molecules. Most of the people, for them, the question stops at maximum only. Which has maximum. That's it. Now, maximum. Look at that. It is molecule, not atoms. Right? Okay, now tell you one thing. Let me change the question now. Let me change the question. Number of molecules. I'm making it atoms. Which has maximum number of atoms. Maximum number of atoms. So since we have settled out here, let me give you the idea of this thing, that number of O is how much? 1/16 into Na. And for this one, number of O2 molecules is how much? 1/32 into Na. That's we have settled. And number of molecules of ozone is how much? 1/48 into Na. Now the question is, which has maximum number of atoms? Maximum number of atoms. Come on. Highest number of moles will also have highest number of molecules. Pakka. Right. 100%. Seema, very good. But that might not be the case with the atoms. Okay. Number of atoms. Now I know that O2 is made up of 2 atoms. Ozone is basically made up of what? 3 atoms, right or not? So molecules do contain atoms, right? But atoms, they don't contain molecules. Atoms are not made of molecules. Molecules are made of atoms. So now your answer, please. Now out here, this is atom already, so I need not do any other calculation, right? But I know that these many molecules are there. And each molecule of O2, there are 2 atoms. So in these many molecules, how many atoms will be there of oxygen? How many atoms? 1/32 into Na is number of molecules, and each molecule contain 2 atoms. So multiply by 2. This will be how much? 216, right? So Na/16. This is also Na/16. This is also what? Na/16. Now similarly out here, you have to look at what? Number of oxygen atoms. So number of molecules Na/48. Each molecule contain 3 atoms. So these many molecules will contain how many atoms? Into 3. Again 16. Na by 16. This is also Na by 16. This is also Na by 16 and Na by 16 again. All are same. Sir, in hydrogen, why 3 is no, why there is no neutron? Oh, I'll answer. See, why hydrogen does not contain neutron? For that, you have to look for the answer from God. He made the world, right? We scientists are simply studying, right? Why you have not put the neutron in the hydrogen atom? That we cannot, no, we cannot ask that stuff. But what they have given, what God has given, and what is existing in the universe, right? We can simply analyze that, right? That why our solar system does not contain 2 sun, right? Why you are not a girl? That we, ye nahi aata apne ko, right? Why this earth is not flat? Chalo. So the answer will be equal and all for that. Now some people are asking that, sir, the paper of 26 will be like tough, hard or easy. So let me tell you that my father basically is not, I mean, the chairman of NTA. So they will not call me and ask me that the paper of 2026 will be easy, moderate or tough. No one knows that. कैसी बातें कर रहे हो तुम लोग यार? What kind of question you're asking? I have got no idea. No one has that. And no one has an idea that 25 paper will be like the way it came. No one was expecting this paper. That NTA people will do something, we have to just take it, right? We have to prepare ourselves for whatever is like a paper like. If they give easy paper, we'll handle it. They give tough paper, we'll handle it. Moderate, again we'll handle it. Our job is to handle the paper, and how to handle it properly will depend on our preparation. So prepare hard. Only NTA knows the answer, sir. How 26 paper is gonna be, right? Correct. Only NT knows that. And as of now, even they are not like in the right position to tell you that what kind of paper they will give. They will be deciding it later on. Right or not? Okay. So what difference does it make that it will be easy, tough or moderate? Whatever it will be for all. For all. And who will succeed? Someone who knows how to handle the pressure, who has done a lot of practice and revision and have the conceptual clarity, right or not? If you combine all this thing, there is nothing which can stop you. Right or not? What else is there? I mean, this is truth, universal truth. And if anyhow, I mean, I wish I could know that what will be the level of 26 paper. In that case, immediately, if I have that power, I will be the richest person in this world, right? Kaise? I wish I could know that stuff, but I know that stuff. That is beyond my abilities, beyond my capacity, right? Okay, so shall we try some more questions now? Per question 10 lakh, ज़्यादा हो जाएगा वो. Give weightage from which paper, how many questions it will be. Give weightage. Satish, what? You are from CBI or what? Or you're trying to get the knowledge that I am the one who can make the paper out. कैसे करेंगे यार? मुझे क्या पता? I do not know how many questions will come, right? That see, ionic equilibrium is such an important topic, right? So normally the predictions are that you will get like say maybe 2, maybe 1 or maybe sometimes 3 also. But I mean in the last 2 years there have been no question from ionic equilibrium. No. Similarly thermodynamics, right? A very important topic, like say 5-6 years back, there's not even a single question on thermodynamics. So I seriously don't believe in too much of these kind of predictions. I believe that every chapter is important. It's not about that. See, wait. If you ask me, sir, how many questions will come from the mole concept? And if I say, beta, maybe 1 directly. So in case you believe that only 1 question will come, then I should leave mole. Try leaving mole. This mole is the base of everything. If you do not know mole, there is no chance that you will know concentration terms. And if you do not know concentration terms, forget about doing chemical equilibrium, doing ionic equilibrium, doing solution chapter, and doing electrochemistry. Are you getting it not? And if you believe that, sir, I want to leave ionic equilibrium and I want to leave, say, chemical equilibrium, they are tough kind of thing, then forget about doing electrochemistry also. Because electrochemistry, there are many questions which will be depending on ionic and chemical equilibrium. And you say, some people say, sir, can I leave thermodynamics? Okay, you can leave thermodynamics, but then don't ask me anything that how I will do chemical equilibrium, how I will do ionic equilibrium, right or not? Because in thermodynamics, we teach you a concept called equilibrium. Equilibrium of two types, right? Ionic equilibrium or chemical equilibrium. And this chapter also contains a concept called delta G, which is the reason behind it, why anything happens at all. If you do not know these things, forget about doing anything. Now, thermodynamics will decide chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, electrochemistry, solution chapter as well. So, I mean, like, we have been brought up in a wrong way that this chapter is important, that is not. Now, this model is okay when you're doing 9th, 10th, maybe say 11th and 12th only. It's okay for that, maybe. But definitely not at national level, but when there is a competitive examination going on. If you will not do, others will do, and others will do, and they will become doctor beta. So, I believe that you should get rid of this kind of weak thinking, a negative thinking. Delta G is in electrochemistry also. It is everywhere. Everything is interrelated. Everything is interlinked. Arjun, correct. So it's not, we have to change our perspective. We have to think from the zone of power. Powerful people, right? We cannot be like powerless. I do not know this thing, I do not know, I want to escape this, I want to escape this. No, not at national level. No, this is not correct thinking. And if we are having this kind of thinking, beta, I believe that we might, whatever the paper will come, we will be suffering. Because if you say paper is easy, then beta, paper is easy for all. It's not easy for you only. Right? So relatively, you will stay at the same place, whether tough or like say easy. Not much difference will be there. So I'll say request you that, I mean, drop this kind of negative thinking, weak thinking, and like assume a powerful place, and that will come from powerful thoughts all itself. Okay, so we'll continue with the questions, right? Okay, here we go. So let's have the question now. Okay. Okay, in the same question, if I say, just let me know which has maximum number of electrons. Maximum number of electrons. Who will have maximum number of electrons? Sir, you left this question before to teach how to find out number of moles. The question is how many helium atoms are in 2 grams of sample. I'll come to that. Yashasvi, I'll come to that. Which will have maximum number of electrons? 1 gram of O, 1 gram of O2, 1 gram of O3, or what? Maximum number of electrons. Okay. So there is a battle going on between 3 and 4. I want everyone to answer it. Everyone. Satish, what is your answer? Okay, someone saying equal also. Someone saying 1 also. Satish, can I have your answer? Okay, see that now. I believe that one oxygen atom contains 8 electrons. Yes or no? One oxygen atom contain 8 electrons. Now, if you look at that now, all of them have same number of atoms. How many? Na by 16, Na by 16, Na by 16. So, if I talk about number of electrons, so number of electron, hash means number. Number of electrons will be what? Na by 16 into 8. Each atom contains 8 electrons. So these many atoms will contain how many electrons? Multiply by 8. How much? Na by 2. Same thing will happen here. Number of electrons. This is number of atoms. Na by 16. Multiply by 8. Again how much? Na by 2. And similarly, these are number of atoms. So number of electrons will be Na by 16 into 8. It will be again Na by 2. Same number of atoms of oxygen will contain same number of electrons. Are you getting it? Electrons reside in atoms. All have same number of electrons. That's correct. So answer is equal in all. One question, but I mean we are trying to clarify multiple concepts in this single one question. Okay. So Yashasvi was asking me one question that we have got 2 grams of helium. 2 grams of helium, right? So you have to find out number of helium. So number of helium atoms. Number of helium atoms in 2 grams of helium. Chalo, find out. Give me answer in terms of Avogadro number. Number of atoms in 2 grams of helium. Come on. Everyone should answer it. Everyone. Come on. So first of all, weight is the most useless thing. We'll find out what? Number of moles of helium. So number of moles is what? Weight. Weight is what? 2 upon atomic weight. Helium is an atom. And atomic weight is what? 4. So it will be 1 by 2. Once you know number of moles, I can calculate number of atoms. So number of atoms of helium will be number of moles. 1 by 2 into Avogadro's number. Right or not? So this will be Na by 2. Simple as that. If you want numerical value, 6 into 10 to power of 23 upon 2. This will be how much? 3. So 3 into 10 to power of 23. Yes or no? Satish Rathod. I got 390. Will I get seat? For that, I believe you should watch the Sri Gosalite video on the YouTube where our chairman sir has discussed it in detail, right? And find out like which category, which region you belong to. So depending on that, I mean, you just see that stuff, and I wish you luck for that. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's do one more question, right, sir? Okay, see, I'm giving you 20 molecules of O2. 20 molecules of O2. They will have some weight. So I'm saying that how many molecules of SO3? How many molecules of SO3 will have same weight? Or let's say, let me reverse it. If I give you 20 molecules of SO3, 20 molecules of SO3, how many molecules of O2 will have the same weight? Right? Weight here and weight here. I'm giving you 20 molecules of SO3. They will have some weight. I'm saying how many molecules of O2 will have the same weight as 20 molecules of SO3. Chalo, solve it. Simple one. We have got 20 molecules of SO3. How many molecules of O2 will have the same weight? This is not 20 mole, this is 20 molecule. Pushpa, it is not moles, it is molecules. 20 molecules of SO3. How many molecules of O2 will have the same weight? 40 molecules of O2. 50, 50, 50, 40. Our class don't have the unity. Like we have got 2 or 3 different answers. I mean. So, I mean, if you look at that, if they give you number of molecules, you will find out number of moles. What is that? Number of molecules, that is called hash upon Avogadro number. And once you know number of moles, I can find out weight. What is that? Hash number of moles into what? Molecular weight. Molecular weight, right or not? That means this thing should be same for both of them. So let's talk about O2 and let's talk about SO3. So weight W1 should be equal to what? W2. And what is W1? Number of molecules X upon Na into molecular weight. What is the molecular weight of O2? 32 is equal to, come on, weight 2. What is that thing? Number of molecules. How many? 20. They have given you 20 of them. 20 upon Avogadro number into molecular weight of SO3 is how much? 80. So Na will cancel out and X into 32 is equal to 20 into 80. So X will be equal to how much? 20 into 80 upon 32. So I believe that this will be, okay, I'll make it a bit clear. So, 20 into 80 upon 32, right or not? So can I say 8 tens are and 8 fours are, 4 fives are, 5 into 10, 50. It is 50, not 40. 100 by 2, correct. It is 50, right. Chatra, now getting it not? Don't give up that easily. Like, learn to walk on this chart, right? Weight, number of moles, volume of gas, and number of molecules, right? To come inside, you will be dividing by the required things. Here by molecular weight or atomic weight, here by 22.4, and here by Avogadro's number. To come inside, right? To go outside, you have to multiply. You have to multiply. Remember that or not? Just practice these questions from the any basic book you are having. Okay, I hope these things are clear to people. Revise them properly and I'll catch you tomorrow. Wish you all the best. God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.